Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got some important and slightly worrying news to talk about: bird flu and its potential new risks. So, picture this. Health agencies are sounding the alarm about a significant public health concern involving bird flu and human flu. Why? Because if someone catches both at the same time, there's a chance these viruses could mix and create a new, potentially dangerous virus. Recently, there were cases in Louisiana and Canada where patients had severe symptoms due to bird flu mutations. This raises the risk of serious infections spreading to more people. Yikes, right? Now, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, has a piece of advice for us. They're saying that everyone, especially those at high risk, like farm workers, should get the seasonal flu vaccine. It won't stop bird flu, but it can help reduce the chances of catching the seasonal flu and possibly getting infected with both at once. The CDC explains that even though these dual infections are super rare, they could theoretically lead to a new virus. This new virus would be a mix of genes from both human and bird flu, and that could be a big problem for public health. So, what's the deal with these viruses? Bird flu is officially known as avian influenza A, H5N1, and human flu has strains like influenza A, H1N1, and A, H3N2. They're all part of the same influenza A family and share some similar protein components. So, let's break it down. Recently, Dr. Melanie Wellington, a pediatric infectious diseases specialist at the University of Iowa, appeared in a video by Johnson County Public Health. She explained a pretty serious risk that has public health officials and scientists on high alert. Dr. Wellington shared that when a flu virus infects a cell, its genetic material enters as multiple segments or pieces. When it wants to make a new virus, it loads each new one with one copy of each segment. Now, here is where it gets interesting and a bit concerning. If a bird flu virus and a human flu virus infect the same cell at the same time, the new virus gets loaded with segments from both viruses. But the virus can't distinguish whether those segments come from the bird flu or the human flu. Dr. Wellington explained that this mix and match process could create a totally new virus from the segments of both bird flu and human flu. And this new virus, it's something no one would know how to respond to. That's why public health officials are so worried. The big concern here is that this new virus could spread among humans, but we'd have no existing immunity against it. This scenario could potentially lead to a pandemic situation, which is definitely something we want to avoid. So, there you have it, an important health update straight from the experts. Make sure to stay informed, take precautions, and as always, stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next video.